Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two absolute beasts, the AnkerMake M5C and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Let's see which one deserves a spot on your desk and which one should stay in the box. First up, let's talk about the price. Both of these bad boys are priced at $399. Yep, you heard that right. It's like a 3D printer standoff in the Wild West. So if you're broke like me, you won't have to make that decision based on price alone. Moving on. Now, let's talk speed. The AnkerMake M5C boasts a printing speed of up to 500 millimeters per second. That's faster than my grandma on her mobility scooter. But wait, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M can hit up to 600 millimeters per second with Core XY acceleration. It's like comparing a cheetah to a faster cheetah. Looks like FLASHFORGE wins this round. Sorry, AnkerMake, but you just got left in the 3D printing dust. Alright, quality time. AnkerMake M5C offers 0.1 millimeters precision and even a next-level 50 micrometers resolution with a 0.2 millimeters nozzle. It's like the Picasso of 3D printers. But FLASHFORGE isn't backing down. It promises smooth and accurate prints with its full auto one-click leveling and vibration compensation. However, the FLASHFORGE's claim to fame is more about speed than finesse. So if you want those super fine details, AnkerMake takes the cake. Or should I say, the filament. Now, let's see how friendly these machines are. AnkerMake M5C offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, an easy-to-use app, and automatic bed leveling. It's like having a 3D printing butler. Meanwhile, FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M also has auto-leveling, a filament runout sensor, and power loss recovery. Plus, it claims you can go from unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes. That's faster than I can microwave a Hot Pocket. Both are user-friendly, but FLASHFORGE might be just a tad more hassle-free for the impatient among us. Lastly, let's talk durability and versatility. AnkerMake M5C has wear-resistant components and a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end, making it a beast that can handle PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even PLACF. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is no slouch either, with a robust design and the ability to print PLA, PETG, TPU, and PLACF. However, FLASHFORGE's open design means you'll need a well-ventilated area, so no printing in your closet, folks. For sheer versatility and durability, AnkerMake takes this one. Amazon reviewers have praised the AnkerMake M5C for its efficiency, easy setup, solid build quality, and compact design, although it can be a bit noisy. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, on the other hand, is loved for its ease of use, quick setup, and good print quality, although some users faced issues with firmware and manual settings. So there you have it, folks. Both the AnkerMake M5C and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M are fantastic 3D printers, each with their own strengths. If you want high-speed printing and ease of use, go with FLASHFORGE. But if you crave precision and versatility, AnkerMake is your new best friend. Either way, your 3D printing game is about to level up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Let us know in the comments which 3D printer you prefer or if there's another battle you want to see. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.